Hi, in this video we will understand about self-inspection. So what is self-inspection? So or why it is required? The people will say that we have systems, we have SOPs, we have protocols, we are doing our daily activity routinely, properly. Then what is the purpose of self-inspection, or why we should go for self-inspection? So real purpose is, by self-inspection, it's an opportunity. It's an opportunity for an organization to find out our internal problems, find out our own improvement areas by ourselves, rather than somebody else from outside will come, inspect and identify for ourselves. If we are able to identify our problems by our own and we can resolve it, then it is the best scenario. If somebody else from outside will come and identify the problems for you, then the repercussions or consequences will be very bad. And if it is a real critical issues identified by the external person, then we may be in a very big trouble. So self-inspection in a real term is an opportunity to have an insight, to see our own things from different perspective and find out the opportunity areas, find out the what are the lackings, and basis that we can improve upon our SOPs, our protocols, our systems, and that will give an opportunity so that we can make our system better day by day. So that is the real purpose of the self-inspection, and it should be given utmost importance by any organization. So in daily life, if you are doing the things routinely and nobody else is checking from the different perspective, then what will happen? We will understand that whatever we are doing is best, it is going smoothly and there is no issues. But if you involve other persons from the organization, if you involve cross-functional team, for example, self-inspection should be done by the cross-functional team, so that the persons or experts from the different area will come, will see, check your process and identify concerns if there are any concerns. It will help us to improve, it will help us to be in compliance with the guideline, it will help us to see what can be the problem areas, what other industries are having the problems, and which from their mistakes we can learn and improve upon our own areas. So that is the benefits of doing a self-inspection. This is very short video just to make you understand the importance of the self-inspection. In subsequent videos I will be making more videos to guide you that how exactly self-inspection should be done. Hope this will give you a clear insight, and from now onwards you will give importance to the self-inspection and make efforts to correct the things to make our company, our organization in compliance. Thank you.